Okay, so we're going to use a Dakota Fire Hole and grill our salmon. So we brought some salmon and vegetables wrapped in tin foil. And in order to do this without a pan, we're just going to make a little Dakota Fire Hole to make a grill out of. So what we've done is we've dug this hole down in the sand, and we've got this little air hole over here. I don't know if you can see down there. You can see my fingers. But the fire is going to pull oxygen down through there, and it cuts down on the smoke and keeps the fire from being above ground. And then we'll put these green sticks we've trimmed from some bushes into a nice little grill over top while we roast our vegetables and salmon. So we got some birch bark. I found some fat wood, and I've made a little pile of shavings for fat wood. Hopefully that'll catch a spark. We got some more big chunk of birch wood to line the bottom of the hole. We've got some more fat wood ready to start. And then we've got a pile of the dry kindling, and then we'll start to move up to these pencil-sized sticks. And then we've got a pile of little chunks behind us that Mark has prepared. So let's see. Put this birch on the bottom of our hole. Rough that up so we got a place to sit. Oh, there we go. All right. So we're going to set this little tray of firewood down here. And then a little pile of my dry kindling.